Hello everyone, my name is Andy. In today's video, I will answer the most frequently asked question about our shipment details. We offer flexible options for transportation. If you prefer faster delivery, air express such as DHL, FedEx, UPS is a good choice, which usually takes 3 to 5 days. However, air express means a lot of money for heavy cargo. In this case, we can help you arrange the ocean shipment as well, which costs 25 to 30 days for the delivery. Basically, you don't need to worry about the ship time, as we will consider the quantity and the requirements of your order and advise the best solution for you. The lead time depends on the complexity of your design and order quantity. Usually, for low volume parts with simple geometry, the average lead time is 5 to 15 working days. But for complex production parts, it will be about 18 to 25 working days. As for expedited service, yes, it is available. We recently finished an expedited project. The customer urgently needed the parts to be finished in 5 days, which normally takes 7 business days for machining, but eventually we managed to make it delivered to the customer within a week. We count lead time in business days, exclude weekends and the national holidays in China.